Thank you for the request, Yasmin. I know you and your kids will love this recipe. Please let me know what you would like to see bake in the rice cooker by putting it in the comment section below. As a reminder, I do have the full recipe in the description box below. And we're going to add the eggs one at a time, alternating with the Milo powder. And if you're baking in the oven, make sure you check the oven baking instruction in the description as well. And then add the Milo powders in thirds. And that means 1 egg mix, Milo powder mix, and repeat the process until it's all done. And it would really help me out if you click that thumbs up below if you like this recipe. If you're new to my channel, I upload new recipes every Saturday. And don't miss future recipe by subscribing to my channel and turning on that notification bell. Make sure you line your pot with parchment paper. If you are new to baking in your rice cooker, please watch to the end for some very important tips. And place a paper towel on top to catch condensations. And let's start our first bake cycle. One bake cycle is 30 minutes, and that's 5 minutes in cook and 25 minutes in warm status. And this is after the second bake cycle, which is 1 hour later. And this is after the third bake cycle, which is 1 hour and 30 minutes. I've been noticing that if the paper towel is wet, the cake is done baking. Go ahead and cool it for about 20 to 30 minutes before cutting it. If you do make any of my recipe, I would love to see them. You can email me directly or upload them into my rice cooker Facebook page or tag me at Rice Cooker Bacon in any of these social media sites. And oh, this cake is super soft and moist. You can eat it plain like this, or double the Milo love and make this Milo Ganache. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share my video with everyone you know. And don't miss future recipe by subscribing to my channel and turning on that notification bell. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I upload new recipes every Saturday. And this is truly the best Milo cake ever. Okay, so it's my second cake. My first one was a miserable fail. It was super dry. This cake is at a medium sweetness level. And with the Milo Ganache, it will be at a sugar sweet level. If you are new to baking in your rice cooker, there are a few important reminders to keep in mind. Recipes with 1 cup to 1.5 cup of flour is best for minimal baking time. Depending on your rice cooker, it will probably stay on cook for about 5 minutes, and then it's gonna go into the warm status. And this is completely normal. When baking, there's not much liquid, and so the rice cooker must go into this warm status to prevent it from overheating. But you don't have to worry. Your baked good is still baking in this warm state. Since we do have to come back and push that cook button again, set a timer for 30 minutes, and when the timer goes off, just press that cook button and then set another timer. Now, if you press that cook button and it will not go into a cook but keeps staying on warm, that just means it needs more time to cool off, so just let it sit for another 10 minutes and try again. And you do have to repeat this bake process until your cake is done. Try not to open your rice cooker until after the 2nd or 3rd bake cycle because we do want to keep that warm air inside the rice cooker to continue to bake your cake. And to test whether your cake is done or not, just use a chopstick, toothpick, skewer or knife, insert it into the center, and if it comes out clean without any wet batter, then your cake is done. For more deliciousness, make sure you check out my other videos here and here, or watch my whole rice cooker playlist right here. What are you waiting for? Go and make this recipe, and happy baking in your rice cooker.